Okay, today is going to be on the train, and basically this is going to be this way. Macau goes to Oceania, and the other way goes to the airport and ferry terminal. So we're just going to try to capture as much as we can. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. As we can. So there's a little thing there, a monitor. We're gonna go all the way to the other end and just kind of show you. So in another video, you're gonna see my train from basically the airport to here. It's pretty impressive. Really nice station. And it's all up above too, so it's like call that a monorail, I guess. So you're up above everything. Call it light rail is what they call it, but there you go. Some of the sights from up above. We're waiting on the other side, so what we're going to do is go down and go out the exit. Alright. Exit. These are all the stations right here. Oceania, Jockey Club, Stadium, Cock, which is here, Coke. Cotai West, Lotus Checkpoint, this goes to China. East Asia Games, Cotai East, Cotai West, MUS, which is University of Science and Technology, Airport, and Ferry Terminal. So those are all the stations, and we're going to be heading on out. Okay, so here's basically on the way out. So we just came from there, and we're going to be heading out of the station. And up there is where the monorail is at. Pretty amazing, finally running. And there's the station itself. So you can see right there.